Thanks for visiting my channel again. So, nag, nag nagpunta ako sa mga store, naghanap ako ng pressure cooker. Hindi ako makakita ng nag-review nitong model na to. Ito ang 7 liters Asahi, name brand from Japan, but ginawa to originally from Philippines. And the number one catch my eyes, the push button. If you open it, easy to open, and then line up that arrow there. Quick idea, nakita mo yung arrow na yan, ila-line up mo sa arrow dito to put it in. Simply just line it up, very basic, and twist it clockwise and it's locked. I don't see any shaking part there. They have handle both side. Size wise, mga 9 port, 7.5 on height, kasama ang handle 18 port inches. Pag gustong makita ang part number, andiyan. So PR-71 stand up 7 liters. I get it without the box because ito lang ang stock nila sa Wilcon. I get it for 42 or 4,200 something. So open it again. Merong tong isang extra sealed na rubber. I put it in the side, and the only it comes with it, it's the extra seal of rubber, and ito yung sumasayaw sa ibabaw. Let's put it in. So line it up again, lock it, and just simply insert this one. You can see there's a wire that when you attach here is lock it up. So I show you. So it's locked, and this one is the one who twisting after you put it your meat, dancing like this. Very easy to grab. You get what you pay, and you can see it's thick compared to when you get a cheap one. You can tell the difference. This one is thick, most especially the base is heavy. It says there Asahi, lot number 222-2320. So ito gas, this one is not electric. So let's put this one in a try, put some meat there, and let's see how it works. So hopefully bigyan tayo ng magandang positive when you used it. So hindi ko rin alam kung maganda ito gamitin. The only thing you can count bago maluto, pag nakita mo na sumayaw, yun ang start na magbibilang ka ng kung ilang minutes. So most of the meat, most especially if magluluto ka ng pata, it take about 15 to 20 minutes pag nag-umpisa ng sumayaw. So let's do it. Let's see what this one it works. So linisin mo natin yung meat. Ilalagay, be sure it's clean. Tapos ilagay natin dun sa pressure cooker na Asahi. So nilagyan ko lang ng mark doon ng dark ink para pag nilalagay mo easy, line up na siya. Tapos lock. Open it again, push this one, and twist it counterclockwise. As a proof na stainless to, so this one, ito magnet to pero hindi siya nag-stick, so it means this one is pure stainless. Finally, nakakita ko sa Pinas ng totoong ginawa na is not scam. So, start to rinse it.
Parang kaunti. Hindi naman pinag-freezer dapat yan. Oh, kumukulo na yan.
So, start na natin.
Bantayan yan.
So, start na yung apoy. So, hintayin natin ito sumayaw. Pag sumayaw na siya, yun ang start ng counting. Pag ganitong mga pata, it take about 15 to 20 minutes para lumambot. Let's wait. So, time check, 9:55. Nagsasayaw na to. So, 10:10, stop to after 15 minutes. So, ayan, nagsasayaw na siya. So, it's positive working. So, let's wait until 15 minutes. Let it cool, and I think that'll be it. So 10:10, exactly 15 minutes. So sinat off ko na. So intayin lang itong mag-cool down. So be careful. Marami nang nasabugan ito. Huwag niyong bubuksan hanggat mainit siya. The only thing, if you nagmamadali ka, dalhin mo to sa may lababo mo, sprinklean mo ng tubig hanggang mag-cool down, or hintayin mo lang siya mag-cool down, tapos buksan mo lang to unti-unti itong regulator, yung sumasayaw hanggang sa simingaw lahat yung init sa loob. So pwede mo na siyang buksan. Tapos lagyan mo na yung mga ingredients na gusto mo ilagay, yung mga additives. So maganda ito, hindi sa sumabog. So, ang tanging na natin kailangan, tingnan natin kung napalambot niya yung pata nilagay natin, which is baboy. So, let's wait until kumain tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gano'ng kalambot yung in 15 minutes. So, let's wait. At inuulit ko, wala akong nakitang review sa model na to. So, at least ngayon, meron na kayo idea kung gumagana ba to ng tama o hindi. So far, 90%. I believe that okay ito. Hindi siya sumabog. Saka makapal. Very decent in quality. So, let's wait na lang kung napalambot niya yung baboy. So, yun ang concern natin. So, let's wait until this one's cool down. And pakita sa inyo bago natin kainin. So, I already removed the regulator. So, alam mo na malamig to. So, ready to open. Just push this one and turn it counterclockwise to open it. So, ito na luto na. Nalagyan na ng mga additives na ingredients. So, napakalambot. So, kung tatanungin mo ko kung isa-suggest ko na bilhin to para gamitin. So far, I like it. So, sa'yo na rin ang desisyon kung gusto mong bibili. Pero para sa akin, okay to. Little bit expensive, but you get what you pay. It's more quality. Wise stick. It's masasabi mo na okay itong materials. Okay? Bye-bye.